I'm going to show you how to use the spot healing tool. Okay, it does exactly what it says. It removes spots from the photos, and then we also have a healing brush tool just underneath it. So we're going to open up the picture, and you're going to make sure that you've got the spot healing tool on show. Okay, and all you do is just go over the spot and just click it, and that's it. It removes the spot straight away. And obviously I just wanted to show you an example of a spotty face, so it show you how good the spot healing tool actually is. So as you can see, the spots are merging with the skin to create a really clear picture. It's a really handy tool to use. If you click and drag little sections, it will also remove the skin around, so the red flared area around the spots, so you get this nice clean effect. So it looks like this face has not even had a single spot on it, which is lovely. And if you right click on the spot healing, the spot brush, you've also got the healing tool. And what you do for that is you click on Alt and then find a clear space, a clear piece of skin, and then just smooth out the skin. Because what this will do is it will smooth out the skin to make it look like it's just merged in with the face.